Protecting your cargo and truck bed are pretty important. Well, with the EGR RollTrac electric bed cover, it's as easy as click, click, boom. Now, this isn't your average bed cover. The EGR RollTrac is a premium aluminum bed cover with the smallest canister available, made of a composite material so it won't dent, and therefore won't damage the cover inside the canister. And with 2 easy-to-access service ports on the canister, cleanouts are no longer a problem. This is also the most watertight cover you'll find. With 4 drain ports, the EGR RollTrac can handle 6 gallons of water per minute, leaving the bed and its contents dry in all conditions. The Smart ECU variable speed control allows for smooth, quiet operation. This also monitors the angle of the vehicle to prevent the cover from opening and closing too fast. And the anti-pinch technology is top of the line, so it won't accidentally crush anything in its path. The EGR RollTrac also senses resistance on the cover, such as snow or ice buildup. If there's too much resistance, the cover won't operate until it's safe, preventing damage to itself or others. And this is a bolt-on bed cover, not a clamp style. The EGR RollTrac can handle an insane 700 pounds of static weight. That means you can load it up with bed racks, roof tents, contractor racks, and more. The T-slot rails can handle it all, on and off-road with no problem. The rails work with all major rack brands, so you can truly make it your own. And how's this for convenience? The RollTrac seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's central locking system, so when your truck locks, the bed locks. No more worries about security, and it's easy to use. Simply double tap the unlock button on your factory key fob and the EGR RollTrac automatically opens. Double tap the lock button and the cover closes. No extra keypads, remotes, or apps necessary. How awesome is that? The bed cover is built to endure the harshest conditions, from dry, dusty deserts to torrential downpours and even extreme cold and snow. It's weather resistant through and through. The powder-coated matte finish isn't just stylish, it's scratch resistant. Plus, it retracts without trapping any annoying dust or debris. Your truck is going to look sharp and clean all the time. There's a child lockout feature as well to eliminate any button tampering. Your precious cargo is safe and sound. Should you need to release the cover manually, a mechanical release lever can be depressed from inside the bed, so the cover can be moved manually and re-engaged for regular operation. If you want to know more about the EGR RollTrac electric bed cover or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.